Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable your USB drive when you want to install Windows. In my case, I'm going to use a wireless keyboard. I have my buttons that are not working. So in your case, you'll be using the same buttons. So I'm going to power on the laptop. Then I'll go to F12 to show you that the USB boot options are not being seen. So what we're going to do, I'm going to click here down. In your case, you click this button. So I'm going to click and go to the BIOS setup. When I go to the BIOS setup, I'll use this arrow. I go to boot sequence. I make sure I have enabled the USB device. Then after that, I'm going to go down here to post behavior. Then I click on it. Then I'll go to USB emulation. Then I'll enable this option. Then I click on apply. Then after the computer will restart, then I'll rapidly click. You have to make sure you click the F12. So in our case, we have our USB drive detected. Then I have Windows files on the drive, and I'm going to click enter. Then to ask me to click any key so that the Windows installation process starts. So here you have to just wait for the files to load from the USB. And this is how you do the booting from USB on your Dell laptops. And in our case, you have the Latitude E6400 model. So in your case, in my case here, I'm trying to install Windows 8.1. So I have to wait for it. You're going to show you the process when it has reached the process of installing the Windows, as you can see right now. So this is how you enable USB boot options on your Dell laptops. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.